What's up guys, Jacob here with a really cool little product spotlight video for you guys today. This is our part ZZ-DBSG. This here's a little sight glass. We've had a lot of requests for this. What this is in your Degas bottle or your coolant reservoir, whatever you want to call it, on the aluminum aftermarket version. We've offered it. Used to be part number ZZ-11-155. That product for you guys. Sometimes we've heard that after it's been on there a while, sometimes this O-ring can go bad on the back side. Sometimes the little plexiglass sight glass can go bad. That can all be due to the nature of the coolant used on the vehicle or in the vehicle. There's a lot of different scenarios that can cause that to go bad. Maybe it wasn't quite tightened right. Maybe it was over tightened when it was installed. It just depends on the scenario. So we had a lot of requests for a replacement for that. We came out with it for you guys. This bottle here I got out of a truck from here at the shop. This one had a little issue here around the back seal. It got over tightened and needed replaced here. So came out with this product for you guys. Like I said, it's part number ZZ-DBSG. Simple. Put a socket on it or a wrench, even a crescent wrench, whatever you want to use. Take that out. Just when you go back together, don't over tighten it. Everything here is aluminum, including this little piece here. If you over tighten it, it is going to pull the threads and it's going to fail on you. There's not really a torque spec. You just got to get it, just tight enough to where everything feels snug, but not pulling it crazily to where you pull the threads. So if you guys have any questions about it, give us a call. We're more than happy to help you with anything you got there. Like I said, this Degas bottle or coolant reservoir has been available by many different people in the past, and a lot of you guys need replacement sight glasses. So we came out with that solution for you. Let us know if you need it. Part number ZZ-DBSG can be found on ZZDiesel.com. Give us a call, 800-749-0688.